We have here the new turntable from Pro-Ject, the brand new automatic, the first automatic turntable from Pro-Ject Audio. A1 is the name of the game here. This is the first model. Probably they will come out more later this year. For example, A2 and A3. This is the A1. And the first thing that we receive is a paper with all the steps how to install the turntable. It's easy, straightforward. This is the picture of the turntable that we're gonna examine. It's made in Germany because Pro-Ject bought the factory there with all the patents and the technology they had to manufacture turntables for other companies. Now it's exclusive for Pro-Ject. This is the power supply of the A1. In different terminals, depends of your plug or for your country that you are living. Hinge, brackets for the cover, the dust cover to install, and the adapter for singles. The cover for the dust, and at the same time, so this is the cover for the dust. Pro-Ject has created another company as well by the name Record Audio. So this is Pro-Ject, not Record Audio, not other company. You see, it's Pro-Ject Automat. Here we are. So this is the turntable, the new one, the first one from Pro-Ject with automatic function. It comes with this thick cable. It's not a slim inexpensive one. This cable costs some money. We install this the dust cover is in its place. We remove this protection. So it comes with the Cartridge Orthophone OM10 moving magnet from Orthophone. So usually all the projects they have this for safety, this thing here to secure the torn arm in its place during the transportation. It's a belt drive turntable. Here we have the switcher from, because the turntable has a phono stage built in, we can switch it on or off from this switcher there. So there is no on-off for the phono stage on the back of the turntable as the other projects, have, but this one is located inside underneath the platter. And here you can see the motor and the belt. It's already installed. Underneath the turntable has 4 elastic pads to absorb the vibrations. This is not expensive turntable. It's around 400 euros. So if we remove this, we can see the whole mechanism. There, you see this base is from wood, very thick, the thickness of the base, very thick and very heavy. The cables here are for the power, these ones, 12 volts, the power and for the output. And there is the automatic system that this turntable is based on. You see this gears here, and the motor is there. So let's have a closer look. We see the motor. It provides the power in order to turn the platter, but also to move the tone arm back and to provide this automatic functionality. So all this mechanism is hosted inside the wood base, the second one, which is very thick as well, providing a lot of weight, a lot of mass So I have no experience about the previous automatic systems, how were made, but this one looks like this. I'm gonna see how it works later. Let's have a close look of the turntable. We see the two boards, one underneath and the other that hosts the system inside. The tone arm is aluminum. Start and stop for the automatic function. Start and stop for the automatic function. And then we just do the start and the tone arm goes like this. This is the automatic function. Starts from the first track. So now the tone arm is in the middle of the record. When it reaches the end of the LP, the tone arm returns to its original position. Let's watch this. And fast. So that's the automatic function that the Pro-Ject provides here. You can do this a lot, all the time. So this is good for the people that don't like to, to stand up and go and return the tone arm back to its place, or for the people that are listening and then they fall asleep and they forget that the turntable is playing, so automatic turntable switches off. Anytime we can return the tone arm back, you see. This is the new turntable from Pro-Ject. Here are all the buttons and handles to control the turntable. This is for the automatic function. This is the lift for the tone arm, and this is for the speed, 33 or 45. This is the back side of the tone arm. There is no descaling here since it's automatic. Everything is pre-adjusted for us. We do nothing in order to bring the turntable in its playback functionality, because Pro-Ject has provided all the adjustments from the factory to us. So we have two automatic functions, one with this handle, hands-free, and one with our hands. Like this. Still turning the turntable now, but here stops. So this is the A1 Pro-Ject is designing and will bring later on the market, the A2, and I think later this year they will announce the A3, which will be the most expensive automatic turntable. Thanks for watching, guys.